The Toolstack Tracker enables you to monitor your subscriptions. You can categorize your tools, see your yearly cost and your monthly cost through charts. In the main section, you'll see your active tools, and when you want to cancel, you just need to toggle this status property to cancel. Now it will be displayed in the Cancel tab here. You'll be able to see which tool has the highest cost in this view, Sort by Cost. In the next tab, Sort by Next Payment, you'll see which tool will have the upcoming payment date. Now, if you want to add a new tool, you just need to click New here, type in which tool you want to add, categorize it, so this one can be core, add a billing type, add the current price, so this is for example $9. It has a yearly cost of 108. For example, you purchase this today, then you subscribe to it. Let's add a payment for the daily app, September 4 for $9. Now you would be able to see on October 4, a month after the last payment date, through this formula, next payment date. The last part is the yearly cost. You'll be able to see how much are you paying for a year. Now, if you want to start with a clear slate, you just need to go to the All section here for the payment transactions, load more, and delete all the records using this delete button here. And active, select all active tools and cancel tools. Now you have a clean slate which you can start populating with your own tools.